Hi friends, my name is AJ, and before I start this tutorial I would like to say if you want to view all the tutorials from exire.com, you can visit exire.com, and if you wish to receive the future updates from YouTube regarding this channel, you can subscribe and you can share this if you want to spread the information and knowledge among others as we do. I presented this slide before the actual topic just because most of us doesn't even bother to wait till the end of the video. So thank you for coming here. Now let's start with the video. So we are starting with the development of billing and inventory management software in this. But before we start with the coding, we shall define the process of development, or you can say a flow chart or a blueprint, whatever you'd like to call it. So I'll straight away start with the graph editor. So here's my graph editor. I've created a new file. So basically this is a YED graph editor, this one, and I use this because it is also free of charge, and I thank the developers for giving it free of charge because it is a good tool and we shall appreciate them. I'll first just save this file as somewhere on my PC. So I'll go in development environment and go in XAMPP. I'll go in htdoc. I'm not telling you how to use these tools basically like XAMPP and etc., because if you are here I'll assume you know PHP or certain development language, because this tutorial will be completely in PHP and MySQL, and you must be knowing. If you don't know these tutorials, if you don't know these languages, I'll be coming up with the tutorials to make you learn all these languages. Wait for a while. So it should not be here. This one should not be here. It must be in the tutorials. Yep, new folder. Inventory management and BILING billing PORTAL. So hope I have got this correct. Let me check the title once more. Build your own inventory management and billing portal. Yep, so we are using the same title. And flow chart, I'll name this as flow chart, or whatever you want to call it, you can call it. I don't have any issue. So we'll start straight away with the flow chart. I'll close this one. So basically, as we all know, there are certain symbols for different things in flow charts, just to make the process easily understandable to the person who is developing. And here we'll start. This one is the start node. So start, or what we have to do, we'll do edit label. So login, we'll straight away login, because with this we don't have any what we call this a static website or something. In case if you want the static website or static web pages with the portal, you can add that pages on your own. We are straight away starting with the login part, means wherein the actual software will be. So login, and I'll put here a terminator. You guys will say why I have just a terminator straight away. Because any process in the web portal starts with a login and ends with a logout. So what I have done, I have created a simple module. The user will log in and log out. Now we will define the functionality within this one. Guys, I am not at all pointing all the things like once the user login, it will go to database, then the response will come. And if it is like after, sorry, uh, this one, after this one, it will be a decision making process, and if yes, it will be inside the portal, and if no, it will again go to the login screen. I'm not doing these things. I am simply capturing the major tasks to give you guys an overview of what we have to do. Okay, so what is this? I'll remove this. Here is the list of details which I showed you in the last video, and we have to add all these functionalities to our graph. So as soon as the user logs in, he'll be having this following is just a minute. Begin loop data, uh, manual input card. Okay, people. Yep, display. Once the user logs in, he'll be having a display, and that display will contain the menu items. Okay, menu items. Or we'll do it first. Dash BYOIMaBP dashboard, and once the user comes, he'll come here. You will delete this relationship. He can then log out from anywhere from the screen, and he will basically redirect it to the login screen. So guys, with this graph editor, we have a functionality of rearranging the layout, so we can just use the shortcuts, or you can go this one. Means it rearranges all the icons. Now we have customer management. So first, adding customer, we'll go straight away here. Sorry. So we have a dashboard, that is basically a display, and in display we have do we have the option of adding remarks over here? No, we don't have the option of adding remarks, so I'll add some more. So we will add the on page reference over here. Okay, dashboard, and actually we don't need this. What is this one? This one is cloud, manual input, sequential data. This is a card, paper tape. We can use some. This one is a data. Actually, these guys haven't given the option of any remarks, so that I'm not able to capture all these options over here. So what we'll do, we'll straight away go one by one. Okay, from dashboard we can go to another predefined process of add custo, add customer. I have to make it a bigger. Add customer. I'll rearrange this. Add customer, and what was the next? It is editing customer. We'll make these predefined processes because we will control Z. I'll copy and paste this because I don't have to change the size again. Edit customer. Alt Shift F and enter. So customer dashboard, what the hell is this? Add customer, and then this add customers. I'll delete one of them. Yep, I don't like these shortcuts. So banning the customer and deleting the customer. So some more predefined processes will be, so F2 banning CS customer, and F2 DLETING. So guys, why I am giving you these functions separately, because you will be saying that if we can edit a customer from the same screen, we can ban or delete a customer. We just have a simple click button to ban and delete the customer, but there is a whole lot of process behind this one. So we can go and edit this one, we can go and we can add this one, Control Shift F, enter. So from the dashboard you can add the customer or edit the customer, and from the edit customer screen you can ban or delete customer. So it's a part of editing customers data. Then we will do this one, supplier management. So we can rearrange this one in one more nice way, I suppose. Start to, we can take on page connector over here, and this was the sequential data on page reference. Now we want on page connector over here, and I'll connect dashboard to this one, and we will name this as CSU customer management. Okay, customer management. It's too big. And then we will delete this and we will connect this to this one. We'll delete this and we'll connect this one to this one. So guys, please bear with me and have some patience, because I am also defining the process as I am telling you. So it might seem that I am a bit confused, but I am trying to make this structure more and more logical, so that you guys don't have the problem in development, and side by side you also learn how we actually define a particular process. Okay, so don't worry about the positions of this, means adding is at the right and deleting is at the left. It is automatically arranging the hierarchy of the flowchart we are developing, but in the software it will be arranging as per our requirement. So second will be supplier management. So I'll first copy and paste this, so that we don't have to do everything again and again. We'll connect supplier from here. Again we'll try to rearrange, and it will again place some things as per his own mood. So then we have adding customers, Control C, Control V. So we'll put here add supplier, goes into supplier management, Control C V. If we go here, edit SUPPLI. Guys, editing is required at every level, because manual errors are bound to happen. You can make the software good enough, but you cannot make the humans good enough. They will commit errors no matter how best the system you have developed. So it will edit supplier, then we have ban SUPPLI. There's a difference between ban and delete. So in ban, these suppliers will be appearing in the list of the administrators or the managers, but they will not be appearing in if they have been deleted. CVF DELE SUPPLI. So so we have this one. Then we have stock management. This is not the share market stock management, this is the inventory management. We call it inventory management instead of stock management. See, we so because stock management general guys take it as in stock market shares, and they'll connect this as a stock management, and they'll say how the hell you have said, how the hell you have included shares in the invoicing and billing portal. Okay, so inventory management. Okay, inventory management goes inside dashboard. Then we have adding new item, adding new product or service or item. Item stands for both, so we'll use add new item. Add new item goes inside inventory management. Updating quantity of update existing item. We'll write update existing item because it will be short. Update or update item. Yep. So guys, don't be confused with the language. I am refining the language as we are proceeding towards the development part. So editing details of okay, now we have to gives an option for updating only quantity, because updating item details and updating quantity, both are different things. So we'll make it as update item details, and item details will be consisting of each and everything. So this seems too small to you guys in on the screen, and what I'll be doing, I'll be including this GraphML file, and you can download this via editor if you want to view this GraphML file, and I'll include this file in the download sections of the website exire.com, where you will be able to download the whole code of this portal. So next we have to add this billing or the sales section, and this is generally used by the executives who are dealing with the sale, who are actually putting the data into the system when the sale happen or even after the sales. So we'll be defining it as this one, control Z, control CV. It will be invoicing. Can we name it as invoicing? No, it contains challan also. This one is invoice. So we will just a minute, let me zoom in. Oops, sorry. BYOIMaBP billing / sale. Okay, so it will be connected directly to dashboard, and we have to include generate delivery challan. So CV, copy, and all guys, I'm copying and pasting each and everything because it will reduce the time by helping me in not typing each and everything again and again. Okay, yeah, editing delivery challan details. Then we have generating invoice. Okay, I'll rearrange this first so that you can see all the options. So in this we have editing challan, details, generating a delivery challan, updating challan status. So there is a difference again between updating challan details and the status. Status means whether it has been completed or not, or pending, whereas detail contains the actual details about the challan. So we have generating invoice option. So then again we can copy and we can paste it here. Generate invoice, we can update invoice status, sorry, update invoice status, yes. Then we have editing invoice details, again the same difference between editing status and the details. So I'll shift control S. So here is the billing sale. I suppose billing and the sale is the major function of this software after inventory management. So inventory management was not that much big here, but we'll have certain functions while we are adding or updating the details. Okay, we have edit, update, we don't have delete item. Okay, I forgot this previously. Now I have added this, and we were here in the billing sales section. We had done generating invoice, editing invoice, now generating installation report. As I told you, this option is completely optional. Reason being, many of the industries have the installation, like if you are purchasing any durable goods such as refrigerator, air conditioner, or other things, there is installation, and with the installation you might have got a bill or paper kind of something where you need to sign that the installation has been done or whatever. So just I don't know for what reason. Okay, so that will be basically coming in, will be coded inside this installation report, and it can be skipped for those customers who don't have the installation in their business process. Like say if you are going to buy say goods for daily use such as food items, and grocery stores, they don't have any installation, so you can skip this section or this module for those clients. And what we'll be doing, actually we'll be making each and every module optional through the database, or even while defining in a function in a particular file, so that if you want to turn on or off any module, you just have to replace the number status of that module as 0 or 1, and you will be getting the updated module. Okay, now we have after sales service. I will control CV, this one will be control Z. So we'll just control CV, after sales service. I'll rename this as after sales service. So after sales service is again, guys, connected to dashboard, because all the options are being given in the dashboard kind of thing. Okay, so can we try one more thing? Organic. Okay, let's see what. Oh, this one looks cool. So now we can here zoom into a particular process and have a look in a particular process. Okay, nice. I like this organic structure for this development kind of thing. Yes, now we can, this one is good. So login dashboard, then we must have logout somewhere here. Yeah, here. Now we have after sales service. We have to work on after sales service. Now what I'll do, I'll Just copy and paste this node so that I don't have to rearrange the size of this one. And then we can go in yeah, because we have already added the customer, we don't need to add the customer. We have already generated the invoice, so that particular sale is added with the customer. Now we can straight away go to the warranty period. After sale service is also optional because it will be in the case of certain type of industries. Then generating service report. Okay, so we'll connect directly to this one. So then we'll copy editing, same editing, and editing the details or editing the status is a different thing. I hope you guys have understood by now. Okay, so I'll again press Alt Shift G. Preferred edge length 5. Consider node labels. Okay, I'll just straight away go with this one. Yes. So this one is billing sale. Oops, sorry. So where is my newly created module? Yeah, after sale service is here. So we are through with this. Now what more we have to add? Now the AMC part comes in, because if you have durable goods, you must be having annual maintenance contract. May or may not be, means it depends entirely upon you. And if you have a client who deals only in servicing of the uh, products, you can straight away switch off all the modules except this AMC management. He will be getting the only AMC management option along with the taxing in this software, and it will be kind of AMC management software for him. So this software is completely flexible as per your needs. We'll just have to switch on and switch off the modules, and you can rename the software. You can sell it on your portal, you can sell it anywhere, you can sell it to your clients, whatever. And if you guys need help, I am here to help you. So we have AMC management. Yep. Customer management. Now see, we copy paste. Again we'll copy here. We'll rename this. Now this is AMC management. I'll connect it to dashboard. I'm not liking this classic. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty cool. Yeah. We'll try something more so that you all guys can also learn. Ouch, what the hell just happened? Okay, this one is arranged as per UML. No, I don't want this one. Compact. Okay. Oh my god, this looks too technical. And if you want your customers to be shocked, you can show them this one. I like it. This seems too technical, and they'll say, okay, take my money, and take my money. Just give me the work. I don't understand this. So I'll copy some big one. Control C V. Okay. Now we will copy this. We will rename this. We will paste this, and we will attach this. Again we have Control C V. So this is kind of, guys, if you want to, this is kind of report generation part which I have given it here because my customer as of now wants this, and we have not included as of now report section, which I will be including in the future tutorials. And I'll be then updating this particular graph and updating it over the website so that you can download the updated graph with the updated code. Oh, which one was that? Compact. Okay. Sorry. Is it that one again? Circular. Oh no. Nah, this was the most pathetic one. This is not at all useful. tree balloon. Guys, I'm just trying to evaluate various options. So this is the basic one. All so organic, orthological, classic. Yep. I forgot. That's absolutely ridiculous. Now this one is good. We'll go this one only. We will go with this one. This is our AMC management, and I'll just one more see it one more time. This is orthogonal and compact. Alt Shift K. Alt Shift K is the shortcut. Generating invoice. We have OKs. So CV. And guys, if you want especially any kind of portal to be developed and you want a proper tutorial, or you want to see how it is coded, you can mention it in the comments, and I'll try and develop the whole portal for you and then update it as tutorials over YouTube so that you can view it, you can get benefited, and as well as others like you who are searching for it can be benefited. So it was layout, orthogonal, compact, alt shift K. So where is our AMC management? Now this looks pretty cool, and this is too cool. Where is our dashboard? Here is our dashboard. Login and logout are clustered here. Okay, nice. AMC management. Now this looks pretty cool. It's like we are too technical. Yeah. Now we are technical, guys. Although we were previously, but unless and until you show these kind of things to your clients, they will say that they will not give you money because you don't deserve it. Some guy out there in the market is doing a better job than you. Then tell them that you are better than everyone else in the market. And make me proud. Yeah. Control Shift F, sorry, Alt Shift K, and done. So guys, it basically rearranges as per the space. So as soon as you add the options to any particular area, it will then rearrange the whole structure with the proper distance and sizing of the boxes so that it doesn't look too messy, and it gives proper information. Now AMC management is over. Now we are here with renting management. Actually this is required by my client because they rent out certain equipments. Basically I don't know what kind of equipments they are renting out, but they said that they are renting out equipments in the market. So see F2 Control V. So they want to get a renting solution, renting management solution basically. So we have renting management. Don't take attention, it will be automatically arranged. So basically customer is already added into the software, so we don't need to add customer again and again. So this is my renting management. Renting management is quite straight away. Means we have to just track the customer's renting cycle and the state. We have to update the status because we are already editing the details of the customer in the customer management. And there will be a kind of report generator, which I have already told we will be discussing. And now this is my favorite part. So mobile app is a kind of off-page connector we will be requiring for this. Off-page reference, no, we don't have a reference for this one. Where is off-page connector? Which one was off-page connector? I always forget this off-page connector because we generally don't use off-page connectors in this kind of a software. Oh my god, sequence, I forgot that completely. I don't know. So let's connect it here only. I'll not waste your precious time anymore. Okay, so we have control C, V, sales team status, from wherein you can track location of sales team. Guys, this will be a mobile app installed on the mobile phones of the sales team, and we will have to install these things over this one, over their mobiles. So this is dashboard, this is sales team is connected over here. Alt Shift K and enter. So sales team status, and we can track this. I'll mention here via MOBILE mobile application. I will increase increase the size. Alt Shift K again, this one. So guys, this is the basic structure we will be following in. So don't take any tension, I'll be updating this graph so that you can view, download and modify this graph as per your requirement. So yep, I'm just saving this and I'm ending this video right here because it is too long. Around 50 minutes I have taken from you just to explain this logic and the whole structure of the software. In the next tutorial we shall start with the actual development of the portal. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and once again, if you want to watch all the tutorials from us, you can visit exire.com. Kindly subscribe if you wish to receive the future updates from the YouTube regarding this channel, and also share if you wish to spread the information and knowledge among others as we do. Thanks a lot for your support. Have a nice day. Bye bye.